Waste segregation is the process of dividing garbage and waste products in an effort to reduce, reuse, recycle, and recovery.
To protect and serve our nature, we need to know our responsibilities by using it. We can protect our nature by planting more trees instead of cutting down trees. And also we need to segregate our waste materials in a proper way before it can be cause of pollution in the air that gives oxygen in a living organism. And also to protect our ozone layer, we need to know our limitation by using nature. And I believe that if we serve and protect our nature, we have a better future.
It is important to recognize that the sustained growth in reuse effort, as well as the sustained interest of the reuse industry, derives in large measure from solid waste reduction hierarchy. Reduce, reuse, then recycle. It is best to reduce first, reuse as a second option, then to resort to recycling.
Reducing the amount of waste you produce is the best way to help the environment. For instance, buying products with minimum packaging, borrowing things with we do not use often, starting a compost bin, saving energy and water by turning our waste to reduce. To reduce the environment damage caused by cars, increase use of carpooling with friends. Walking, taking the bus, or riding your bike instead of driving are the necessary steps to be taken. Same way salvage does for the environment. It helps to reduce the waste of sorting out articles of use.
Recycling is very important as waste has a huge negative impact on the natural environment. Harmful chemicals and greenhouse gases are released from rubbish in landfill sites. Recycling helps to reduce the pollution caused by waste. Habitat destruction and global warming are some of the effects caused by the deforestation.
Cause of improper waste segregation is laziness.
Ignorance is one of the causes of improper waste segregation.
Here are the effects of the improper waste segregation. First is the flood. Flood is a natural event or occurrence or piece of land that is usually dry. Land suddenly gets submerged by the water.
Is defined as the presence in the groundwater of toxic chemical and biological agents that exceed what is naturally found in the water and may pose a threat to human health and or the environment.
Air pollution are the presence of toxic chemical or compounds, including those of biological origin, in the air or levels that pose a health risk.
We should love our nature. We should accept and embrace our responsibility to take care of all of this. And we should be united. We should be the ones who take care of this. And thank you.
Don't be part of
The
problem. Be
Part
Of the solution.